Hey, guess what? I see my friend here, Jody Ho. I'm in Oahu. She's an awesome friend. She even bought the pen. Lady with the pen. Hey, hey. So what you want to tell everyone out there? Who's the fastest chef?
Oh, the man with the pen.
Again, big shot of the man in the pen. Hey, guess what? The greatest ukulele player, the unbelievable John. Who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Man in, man and the pen. Awesome, big shot. Hey, guess what, man? Here's my friend, the greatest guy in Oahu. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big check of the man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today, I'm going to do something really exciting. I'm going to show you how to make a basic teriyaki sauce. And with the teriyaki sauce, I'm going to make teriyaki pork. Right? I'm going to marinate the pork into the teriyaki sauce. You know, pork is usually reasonably priced, so it's a very good economic thing to make. My basic teriyaki sauce is so simple. You put equal parts of sugar, then shoyu, put in some sake, yeah. Equal parts shoyu, sugar, sake, basic sauce. But what I also do is I put in some ketchup, which makes it a little different, and some oyster sauce. This there, I put in some garlic. And I drop in some ginger. Okay, mix it all up. I'll get my pork cutlet. Make sure you separate it all like this, so it's all separated. Because I'm going to cook it really fast, I don't want it cooked real fast. I'll cut it all in half. Okay? Yeah, and I'll marinate it like this. You let it marinate for about half an hour to 1 hour. So now it's time for me to sleep. Okay. Put on the stove, on my oil, a little bit oil in there. Okay. Yeah, I'm frying it up. Yeah. Now this sauce here, you can use for teriyaki beef, you can use for chicken, you can use for all kinds of marinade. Cook it on both sides, turn it over. This teriyaki pork layer, it's good to just throw them on the grill, you know, that would be great too, yeah? Grill it. Okay, there you go, pork teriyaki. Not gonna look good, but let's see how it tastes. Okay. Oh man. So oil. So until next week, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Aloha.